You have your finished video, you need to move it to two places, one, YouTube, and second, the Google Drive. Why? Because this is where leadership actually watches these, reviews them, and then makes the notes for our meetings on Friday. So, super easy. Log into your Google Drive. You have a shared Google Drive folder. In this case, we're in season 18, week 1. You're going to see the notes here. We're going to right click, make a new folder. Make sure to name these correctly. So, special report support. This is because we search the Google Drive for archive footage frequently. So create that folder. Inside of that folder, you don't need to make all of the folders. You just need to make sure that when we go to camp, the season, the week, we take that finished video, the name of that folder is correct and the name of the video is correct. Let that ride. That's a also redundant place for making sure that we have all of our stuff.